from Ruco Real Estate Group.
Today is day 4, and we're going to give you a tour of the Marblehead Lighthouse at Chandler Hovey Park.
Come join us.
In 1831, the Marblehead townspeople expressed a desire for a lighthouse to be built at the entrance to the harbor. Congress granted the wish, and in 1835, the 23-foot high tower was built and housed 10 whale oil burning lamps inside an octagonal lantern. In 1857, the oil lamp system was replaced by a 6th-order Fresnel lens and reflectors, and the deteriorating tower was replaced by a skeletal frame, which is the structure that exists today. In 1948, Chandler Hovey purchased it from the U.S. government and donated it to the town. The 3.74-acre park overlooks the mouth of the harbor and offers benches, picnic tables, and pavilions for visitors and locals to access so they can enjoy the views.